guys, so today we are on a mission to go to one, if not several, maybe several thrift stores because I am gonna do a thrift store flip, a thrift flip on home decor. So I only have $30 to do this project, so I'm really challenging myself to find things that have potential to be something really cute for my house. I'm hoping we can find like 3 different things so that we can kind of make a collection of stuff. Hopefully I'll find things for less than $30 so that I can spend the remaining budget on like DIY supplies to actually make them cute. But I can use anything in my DIY closet that I already have to make these look cute. So let's see what we can find. Was this kind of antique-y wood jewelry box that was in like a yellowish wood with a weird film over the top of it. And this jewelry box was only $7.99, so that was a really good find and in our budget. The next thing that I found was this stool. It was $10 and it was in pretty bad shape, but the great thing about stools, it doesn't take a lot to make it look really nice and new. And then the third thing that I found was this tray for your desk to hold like papers. At least that's what it looks like. And the wood was in really good shape and it was only $1.99. So altogether we spent under $20. I was so excited that I was actually in budget and I had $10 left over to get new things to DIY them with. So went to the store, definitely spent a little bit on each project, may have gone over a little bit, but we'll tally it all up at the end and we'll see how I came out and how well I stuck to the budget. So fingers crossed. So the first one that we're gonna get started with is the stool. And I'm really excited about this project because you guys actually helped me out when I was trying to find fabric to recover this stool. And so it was kind of like you know, a project that both of us did together. So we picked out this kind of beautiful abstract floral print. What I'm thinking is that this fabric will go around the side of the stool, kind of like this. And then I already had some black canvas, actually a lot of black canvas. This is pretty heavy. And then we'll use the black canvas to go right on top. If you guys find a stool that isn't as tall as this one, you can actually get away with just covering it with just a single sheet of fabric, no sewing needed. Since this stool is really tall, it actually does need 2 pieces of fabric that are actually sewn together. But that's okay. I have a sewing machine. We'll take it out. We'll get down to business. If you don't want a sewing project and you want to simply cover a stool, definitely find something that just kind of has like a humped stool, not something like this bad boy. You can see in the picture that the legs of the stool were kind of like a metal gray color and really scuffed up. So we actually spray painted them all black. First things first, we have to get this ugly cover off of this. So I have pried off all of the staples underneath. I just need to get it off. And it's off. Bye, ugly one. It's time to cut and sew our fabric. Then you're simply going to put your cover right over your stool and then flip it over. And to attach your new cover to your stool, you're gonna need a staple gun. You could also use just a regular stapler, but it's not gonna be quite as heavy duty as a staple gun is, but you could totally do that too. Just stretch your fabric really tight and work in small sections. That we're gonna get started on is the jewelry box. I've really been into like black wood accessories lately. So we're gonna start off by completely painting this jewelry box black and then make it a little more fun and unique. So I'll be right back. Here is what it looks like all painted black, and I love the contrast with the inside felt being like an orangey ashy pink color. On the inside lid, I'm gonna flip it up so that when you open the box, you see something kind of extra special. So I'm gonna take the same fabric that we used for the stool, and I'm gonna cut the prettiest part of the design and place it right inside this kind of inlay in the center. I imagine that there used to be probably a mirror in this box, but it's no longer in there. So instead of adding a mirror, you can always add a little bit of texture and color using just a simple fabric. Now that the hinges are back on and it's fully functional again, we have a beautiful jewelry box. So for a final touch to make this jewelry box extra special, I have this beautiful piece of, I don't know what, it's some kind of stone that my mom gave me. I want to say meteorite. I'm not sure. If you know what kind of stone this is, let me know in the comments below. But I thought it would be really beautiful to glue it right on top of this box and kind of act like a handle to open the jewelry box. So I'm just going to use some E6000 glue, industrial strength adhesive. I'm just going to put a little bit right on the edges that will actually touch the box. I'm going to put it right in the center. That's really hard to say. Home decor item. We're going to be reinventing the desk paper tray. I'm going to take it out back and completely spray it all black, keeping with our black accessory kind of theme, and I'll be right back. So now that our desk tray is painted all black, we are going to make it into something completely different than it is right now. It's no longer going to sit on a desk. I'm actually going to hang it on a wall, and we're going to be putting these small gold hooks right along the bottom edge of the tray, and then on the back inside panel of this tray, we're going to be putting a mirror. And it's gonna hold necklaces. So this is such an easy way to completely transform something that you probably don't need. So of course at the store, there isn't a mirror that fit this size exactly. So when you go to Michael's or Joann's, they have all these different size mirrors, like little bitty ones and medium ones, and then this larger size, and they have even bigger than that. So I thought it would be fun to kind of make the mirror more collagey in the center, because I couldn't find anything that fit, and I'm not an expert glass mirror cutter. So we're just gonna simply hot glue some mirrors on the back and then screw in our hooks and hang it on the wall with some necklaces. Home decor, I really can't say that fast. Thrift flip home decor DIY video. And if you did, definitely hit the like button below and comment down below which one was your favorite. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, where I let you guys actually help me design these DIYs, you can find me at McKenna Lee, and I post new videos every week. So if you guys love DIYs just as much as I do, definitely hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye guys!